Now that they're on, we can tighten all the hangers down and tighten up all the exhaust clamps, connecting it to the rest of the standard exhaust. Valvetronic back box fitted. Exhaust tight. Let's give it a demo. And the good thing, I've actually gone sensible like a Ferrari owner right now, because it's just going to give it a bit of noise. It's actually completely legal system with the original valves. See what this sounds like, because I'm a classy guy.
Beg to differ.
And action!
It sounds. That's like a good sound, that is.
Yeah, it's like quite a nice sound, that, isn't it?
What do you think?